free, idiot. Legalized. Can somebody call the police?
We've been binge watching Shameless on Netflix.
Free in Colorado?
But it's time to go on an adventure. Come love. Grab the GoPro. So we are at our favorite place to go hiking in Bracebridge. I lived here for about 2 or 3 years before I even knew it was here. So when I discovered it, it was kind of like really exciting. But it's a great place to go hiking. It's beautiful. Hopefully get some good pictures and some good shots for the vlog. So there's something I didn't think about until we were walking up to this right now. But the river is extremely high, and it's kind of disappointing because I haven't been here in the spring and I didn't think about it. But in the summertime when we come here, you can walk out on these rocks right out into the middle of the waterfall, get really nice, beautiful pictures. Would have been awesome to get some great footage. Probably still get some good footage of the waterfall today, but it's not going to be as accessible as I was hoping, so. We're done with taking pictures at the waterfall. Back to the trail, do a little more of a hike. You can come down here and see this is how high the river is right now. All the trees are under the water. There's definitely like I knew the river was going to be high, but it was definitely a unexpected surprise for me to get there, because I thought we were going to be able to go out into the river where the rocks sit up, but they're completely covered by the water, as you can see. River's just a little too high, so, but it turns out good because it gives it a different environment. I usually like to plan out what my pictures are going to look like, but sometimes you just get some good images on the fly. And when I come back in the summertime, the water's a little the water's a little more calm. It'll be like taking all new photos of a different place, basically. Lisa down there. As you can see, Lisa wiped out. We're climbing up a hill and she fell. Got her leg all muddy.